Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and introduce you guys week 1, which is August the 14th through the 20th. We are going to be studying the family, stem changing verbs, and irregular verbs. These are the pages that you need to study. And after completing this week's assignments, you should be able to describe yourself to others and be able to converse with others in Spanish about your family. You should also be able to conjugate E to IE, E to I, and O to UE stem changing verbs in the present tense, and use the irregular verbs poner, salir, and traer in sentences. Finally, you should understand the differences between saber and conocer and when to correctly use them. All assignments for this week are due by the end of the day. Actually, that you're going to need to check. I'm going to make one video, and the dates for both the classes are probably different, so just make sure that you check the date on your particular Moodle site. So for assignment 1, just like every week, you're going to start by watching the instructor-made videos, which are right here. And then you're going to want to open up the class participation forum and post any question, hit reply and post any questions or concerns you have about that material. For the face-to-face class, you don't have to watch the video. You probably will end up watching some of the videos. I don't think I can cover all of that during the week. But you still, so if we ever have a week where, we cover everything in class, you don't have to watch the videos if you don't want to. You would just post any questions or concerns you have about the class. For assignment 2, you're going to want to read the syllabus, which is over here on the left-hand side in a PDF and a Moodle book format. And then you will open up this forum and you will post any questions or concerns you have about the syllabus. Okay. And then you have a little quiz on ser, star, and I, which is something that you covered in level. That's why you have so much this week, is because we're starting chapter 4, but you also have a little bit of review of chapter 3. So you just attempt the quiz whenever you're ready. You only get one attempt, so don't open it until you're ready. You're just going to plug in the correct forms of ser or star here, and here you're going to plug in the correct forms of ser, a star, or I. And then when you're done, if I move that over here, you'll just hit finish attempt, and if you like your answers, hit submit and finish all. Okay, of course I got everything wrong because I didn't answer anything. Okay, and that's everything that you have to do for week 1.